What's the meaning of bunker? Bunker. Bunker.
Bunker. Bunker. The word bunker refers to an underground shelter or storage space typically used for protection or safety. It can also refer to a fortified structure used in warfare or a deep hole or pit used for storage of bulk materials. Bunkers can be found in a variety of settings, ranging from military installations and nuclear power plants to residential homes and commercial properties. In recent years, the term has also been used in popular culture to describe a person who is overly cautious or fearful, often to the point of being paranoid.